We have a new project happening right now. These are a different style of foam sound diffusion, and they're getting a new coat of paint. They're very absorbent sponges, and we had to add this real thick coat of primer. And there's Trav right over there, learning how to paint.
Learning how to paint.
This is a mock-up of the wall in my living room, and these pieces are going to go. I know you're in a state of zen, you barely want to speak, you just want to paint, and I love that too.